Ever missed a delivery because you didn't hear the knock? Or worse, had a package magically vanish from your doorstep? Yeah, we've all been there. But in 2025, your front door can be smarter than ever. So today we're breaking down the top 10 smart doorbells in the world, the best of the best in video quality, privacy protection, smart home integration, and more. Coming in at number 9, we've got the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K 2nd generation. If you want crisp video, flexible setup, and the ability to tell a delivery guy from your overly curious neighbor's dog, this might be your pick. You get 2K HDR video, a 180 degrees field of view, and smart alerts that can distinguish between people, packages, animals, and motion. It plays nice with Alexa, Google Assistant, and even partially with Apple HomeKit, a rare thing outside the Apple world. You can go wired or battery powered, and there's optional local storage via Arlo's Smart Hub if you don't want everything in the cloud. But heads up, most of its best features, cloud recording, advanced AI, are locked behind a subscription. At number 8, we've got the Google Nest Doorbell, wired, the brainchild of Google's smart home lineup. It's got clean 960 by 1280 HDR video, 24/7 recording with a subscription, and face recognition that can actually tell you who is at the door, not just that someone's there. If you live in the Google ecosystem, this one's basically plug and play. You get instant alerts on your Pixel phone, live view in the Google Home app, and even voice announcements via Nest speakers. But, and this is a big one, there's no local storage. Everything lives in the cloud, and for most features, you'll need a Nest-aware subscription. It's also wired only, so renters might want to look elsewhere. That said, for hardcore Google users, it's like having an AI-powered doorman who knows your entire contact list. Coming in at number 7 is something a little different. The Esviz EP3X Pro, a dual-camera, solar-powered video doorbell that's all about freedom. Freedom from subscriptions. Freedom from charging cables. And freedom from complicated installs. You get dual lenses, one for the face, one pointing down at your doorstep, so you always know if your Amazon box is still there. It records in 2K resolution, comes with 32 gigabytes of built-in local storage, and runs on solar power. Just mount it somewhere with a bit of sunlight and done. It works with Alexa and Google Assistant, has smart motion alerts, and best of all, it doesn't try to upsell you every time someone rings the doorbell. Sure, the brand may not be a household name in the US, but Esviz is a major player globally and part of the same parent company as Hikvision. So if you want set it and forget it simplicity with no monthly fees, the EP3X Pro delivers, quietly and efficiently. If your home is already running on Alexa, smart lights, routines, Echo shows in every room, then the Ring Pro 2 is your front door upgrade waiting to happen. This thing doesn't just show you who's at the door. With 1536p HD video and bird's eye view radar tracking, it shows you how they got there. Yes, you get an overhead map of the motion path like security footage from the future. The 3D motion detection cuts down false alerts, and audio is so clear it feels like a phone call, not a walkie-talkie. It integrates deeply with the Alexa ecosystem. Doorbell rings? Echo show pops up. Motion at 2 a.m.? Alexa lets you know before you even roll over in bed. Of course, to unlock all that magic, like video history, smart alerts, and cloud storage, you'll need a Ring Protect subscription. But if you want the smartest smart doorbell and you're deep in the Amazon world, nothing beats the Pro 2. Also, if you've got multiple Echo devices, you can enable doorbell announcements across the house. Upstairs, basement, kitchen, so you'll never miss a ring even during movie night with the volume up. Number 5 on the list is the Wyze Duo Cam Doorbell. And yes, Duo means dual cameras. You've got one camera facing forward to see who's at the door, and a second one angled downward to keep an eye on your packages. Because let's face it, in 2025, half your visitors are people, and the other half are Amazon boxes. It records in 2K, has smart motion detection, supports two-way talk, and here's the big win, local storage via microSD, so you're not forced into a cloud subscription just to see your own footage. Installation is easy, works with Alexa and Google Assistant, and the whole thing costs under $100. Wyze may be a Chinese brand, but it's designed and supported for the US market. Think made affordable instead of made cheap. Number 4 on our list is a budget beast, the TP-Link Tapo D225. If you want solid 2K video, smart AI detection, and local storage, but don't want to spend over $100, this is your guy. It records directly to a microSD card, so no cloud subscriptions, no hidden fees, no oops, pay $3.99 per month to see that motion alert. Just plug in a memory card and it works. It's compatible with both Alexa and Google Assistant, offers person and package detection, and gives you 24/7 continuous recording if wired. TP-Link isn't a household name in the smart doorbell space yet, but they've built a strong global reputation for reliable networking hardware. And the Tapo lineup is no exception. Number 3, we've got a privacy-first champ from China, the Acura Smart Video Doorbell G4. This is one of the very few smart doorbells on the market that works natively with Apple HomeKit Secure Video, which means your footage stays in your iCloud, encrypted and private. No subscription needed. No video going to some unknown server. And bonus, facial recognition is done locally on the device, not in the cloud. It supports Alexa and Google Assistant too, so if you're cross-platform, you're covered. Installation is flexible, battery or wired, and notifications are fast and accurate. You can even see who's at the door from your Apple Watch. Now, Acura is a Chinese brand, but they've invested heavily in global compliance. Think GDPR, CE, FCC, and you'll even find their gear in European Apple stores. So if you live in the Apple ecosystem and care about privacy, but don't want to overpay for Ring or Nest, this is the doorbell that speaks your language, securely. Coming in hot at number 2, the Wyze Video Doorbell V2, and let's be real, this thing is a steal. We're talking 2K resolution, local microSD card recording, motion detection, two-way talk, and both Alexa and Google Assistant support, all for under $50. That's right. It does 90% of what the big guys do at less than half the price. You don't need a subscription. You don't need to connect it to the cloud. Just plug in a memory card and you've got 24/7 recording on your own terms. And if you've already got a Wyze Cam or Wyze app running at home, it integrates seamlessly into your system. Now, it's not the most premium build and it doesn't have radar sensors or AI face tracking, but for what you pay, there's literally nothing else on the market that competes at this level. At number 1, we've got the doorbell that basically says, no cloud, no subscription, no problem. The Eufy S330, also called the Dual Cam, is a privacy-first powerhouse. It doesn't just record in 2K, it has 2 cameras. One for visitors and one that faces your doormat so you can finally stop losing packages to porch pirates or wind-blown deliveries. It's got on-device AI for human and package detection, so your footage doesn't leave your home and your notifications are actually useful. No random squirrels. No motion detected at 3 a.m. that turns out to be a leaf. All recordings are stored locally on its built-in 16 GB memory. You get two-way audio, wide dynamic range, clear night vision, and compatibility with both Alexa and Google Assistant. You can hardwire it or run it on battery, and that battery? It can last up to 6 months on a single charge. And perhaps the best part? No hidden fees, no cloud reliance, and full functionality out of the box. This is the smart doorbell that respects your privacy and your wallet. Which one fits your home best? Drop your pick in the comments, and let us know what you care most about. Privacy, video quality, no subscriptions? And hey, if this video helped you narrow it down, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more smart tech breakdowns and tap the bell, yes we said it, so you never miss what's next.